with Matchbox cars either. Dan Meadows right behind him down on the backside. Looks like somebody way down on the bottom. That's Alan Barber into 189. But Andrew Moody out in front. Dalton right behind him. Look at those two kids go to town on the backside. I don't think either one of them has graduated high school yet. And they are flying. All right, looks like Kenneth Burns, I think James Maddox over there. Yeah, buddy, here we go. We're going green. And look at Dan Meadows going down to the bottom. Dan Meadows out of Lithia Springs, Georgia. He was in third. He's up in first. Dalton was in second. He's still in second. Andrew Moody, he falls back to third. Kyle Beavers and Reggie Williams. Robbie Stewart, something happening on the restart on that. He had to fall. He fell back a few spots, but here we go with Dan Meadows. They come off turn number 4. Oh, he's still hanging on by a thread as we are 4 laps into this 15-lap feature event for the Economy Bombers. Super Bombers, they'll be coming up next. Gary Kyung in that number 15 car. Derek Young looks like he may be pulling into the pit area. He's got some issues, but hey, Dan Meadows, the senior member of our crew drivers down there, putting on a clinic so far here tonight in our Economy Bomber Division. And whenever I talk about senior, I'm talking about he's older than I am. Dan Meadows in the Rogers Mechanical 07 car trying to pad onto that lead over the youngster of Dalton Polson out of Douglasville, Georgia. 8 laps, let's make that 9. 6 more to go. Can Meadows hold him off as he heads off turn number 2? He's done a pretty good job so far. Super Bombers, let's go, guys. Super Bombers in the pit, let's go. No, the move over flag being given to that number 12 car. Robbie Stewart, and he'll take her down to the bottom. But I tell you what, you got a 2-horse race between Dan Meadows out of Lithia Springs and the youngster Dalton Poston out of Douglasville. They continue to battle it out. Here comes the kid coming up on the senior member. Two laps to go for Dan Meadows, and he's got traffic in front of him. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, buddy, it's trading paint time. Quad flag. This is it, baby. The youngster. Whoa! Caution coming out. Caution coming out. And that's something Dalton Poston didn't want to see. And looks like Alan Barber in the 189. And car number 7 of James Maddox out of Dalton bringing out the caution. Those top 5, that is where your winner will come from. Green will go down. Green, white, checkered. Dan Meadows taking a white flag. Going into the corner. Here comes Poston in that double knob car. Can he do it here tonight? Here at Dixie Speedway. He goes high. Gonna try to get down around him on the bottom. Dan Meadows taking the win here tonight at Dixie Speedway. And would you believe it? He used to come to my house and spend the night with my brother back about 50 or 60 years ago.